You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be doing a very important update on the various space. And if you look at this area, I was talking about a consolidation that after this consolidation and you see a breakout, which should give you a bullish breakout on this very consolidation zone, you should take a position. But we see the market break down, so no position was taken. And this is a waiting period for us. So right now, the market is back into the consolidation zone again. So what is the next market projection if this breakout will happen? What I am looking out for is still a breakout from this area of consolidation. So I really want the breakout to occur first before I think of taking a buy position around this area after the bullish breakout on this consolidation zone. So right now what we are going to see is the market is going to go down slightly before the breakout will occur. So if the breakout will not occur, then that means I am not going to take any trade on this very pair. But if breakout occur, which should give us a bullish close, then the market is going to go for right way up. And I said the target for this market to go up is from here to this area. Then this is what the target should look like. So from this zone is the first target, and then this area is the second target for this very pair, BTC USDT. Now, right now, if I go back to the one-day chart, something very important on the one-day chart I want to show you as well is if you look at the one-day charts right at this point, you see this was a rejection candle. So if the market break out with a bullish close on the one-day chart here, then that means this market will eventually go right up. It will consolidate the analysis on the 4-hour chart. Remember, when you are doing your top-down analysis, that is from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, anything that happens on the higher time frame control what is going on the lower time frame. So if this breakout occur on the one-day chart and close above every other close within this candle, then that means market is going to go right way up to this area of our second target. So that is what I am looking out for on BTC USD. Then if I see a bearish breakdown, that means markets go down and give a bearish close within this area, then that means market is going to go down slightly, maybe to retest this level again before the market will move up. But what I am expecting is a breakout of this level before the market will move to the upside. So that is what I'm looking out for on BTC USDT. If you look at ETH USDT on the one-day chart here, you see the market is in a consolidation zone within this area on the one-day chart. If you go back to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart here, you see the market is consolidating, and I am still looking out for a breakout on this level. A breakout on this level will make the market to move straight up to this area, and this breakout, I am looking out for it very soon to happen within this very zone before we see the markets right up. So I am still looking out for ETH go right up. And then if you draw a trend line on this very move, you see from this area to this level, you see the market should also respect this very trend line right there to go up. So for the market to go up, market should respect this trend line. And then if you see a breakdown on this trend line, then that means market is going to come down even below this very strong support area that we drew in the past. So a breakout is what I am expecting on ETH right now, and the target is this very level of $4,400. SAN USDT here, if you look at it, we talk about the market go right down in form of a retracement before the next impulse into the market, and I also talk about the first target should be this level, and if you look at it, exact same point is where the market rise into, and right now we are seeing the market consolidating within this area as well. So what I am looking out for on SAN right now is the market to come back down. This is not consolidation. I'm not expecting the market to consolidate within this area. I want the market to come back slightly to the downside, before the next continuation in the market. Right now, I will expect the market to break out on this level first before I will take a trade, because I am expecting the market to fail around this area, then come back down before the next move on SAN USDT. If you look at it, our first target was perfectly reached on this very pair. If you take this trade at the end of this retracement, which is the beginning of an impulse to this very area, then congratulations. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification. Then if you have not registered on Binance and other exchanges, please check the link in the description of this video and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.